Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to make tabs in a Shopify product page. So if you're interested, let's start this tutorial. So for us to add a product page or the tabs on our product page, we first have to install an app for that. So what we need to do first, go to your Shopify store, log in into your account, and we need to go to our Shopify app store. Now at the bottom left of your screen, go ahead and click on settings. From here, look for the option that says Apps and Sales Channel, and here click on the button that says Shopify App Store. Now under Shopify App Store, you need to click on the Search Apps and Guides section here. Just type in the following, which is tabs, and that should give you the following options here. Now in this case, look for the option here that says Tabs, SEO Products Tabs with AI. So go ahead and click on it, and from here, just click on the Install button here. And what we need to do next is we just need to follow the installation process here. Now, in this case, going to ask you if you really want to install that, just click on the install button to proceed with the installation. And once it's actually installed, you should be able to see the next UI here, which I'll be showing you. Now in this case, it's going to first ask you if you want to start using it with a plan here. So currently they have the yearly, monthly, and lifetime plans here. So in this case, you have unlimited product tabs here, unlimited shared tabs, and a lot more. But in this case, we're just using the free one here. In this case, let's go ahead and just click on the other tab section here. Just click on the product tabs at the left side here. Now from here, you have the option to change some things on your tabs. So you have the heading type here, the default tab title, include first tab in tab block. Now in this case, you have the option to include it if you want to. If you want to add a default tab title here, so description, which is the first tab that you'll see there. You also have the heading type here, which in this case is going to be the size of our heading. Now in here, once we go to the shared tab section here, this is where you'll be able to see all the tabs that you have. So currently I already added one tab here, which is a test here. So I'm going to delete this one and showing you how to actually add it. Now in this case, go ahead and click on the option here that says active. So just click on it. So if you don't see anything here, you might need to reload this section here. Just go to product tabs, click on shared tabs again, and you should be able to see the add shared tabs at the top right. And once you click on it, all you need to do is just basically add it. So you have the option to add a rich text here, or use HTML or review app if you want to. So for now, I'm going to use rich text here, and maybe I want to say it is going to be a test description for the second tab. Now from here, what we need to do is add a shared tab name here. So maybe I want to say it is going to be a test. So this is going to be the name of our tab, and we want to change this to active. And once you've done that, you can go ahead and scroll down a bit here, and you have the option to apply this to all products or to only specific products. But in this case, I'm going to apply this to all products, but if you want to apply to specific products, choose the specific products here and choose your products. But in this case, let's go and click on save at the top right, and that should save our changes. Now, the next thing I want to do here is we want to edit our story because we'll need to add a tab or block for this specific application here. So let's go ahead and click on Online Store here, go to Themes, and from here, click on the Customize button. And once you've done that, we can go ahead and go to our product page, go ahead and click on Home page here, go to Products here, and from here, click Default Product Page. Now, once you've done that, go to the left side here, and from here, what we need to do next is click on the Add Block section here. Click on it. So make sure you're under product information. From here, switch over to apps, and from here, look for tiny tabs block. In this case, go ahead and click on it, and that should add that specific block there. So you can see when you actually scroll down a bit here, you have the description as well as the test block that we have. Now in this case, just click on the save button at the top right, and once you've done that, we could go ahead and go back into our store here, and from here, let's just view our online store here. And it should open up our store here. In this case, let's go ahead and click one of the products that we have right now. And from here, what we need to do is just scroll down a bit. And as you can see, we now have the description and the test block section here, which is what we actually added here. That's the description for the second tab. Now in this case, this is how you actually add your product or your tabs in your product page. Now also, if you want to edit your specific tabs here, you might need to change a few things, but you might need to have the premium version or the upgrade plan for you to do that. But that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.